Hey, Scentsy Fam! Oh, I got an intruder. Hold on. Mom life. Hey, Scentsy Fam! It's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant. And girl, today we got Scentsy Club. Why are we talking club today? Because club is important because this catalog is going away. We are making room for, girl, the new catalog! The new freaking catalog. Got it at SFR. Oh, girl, made this shirt. Says Wax Queen. Designed it myself. We printed them out for SFR. I did it for SFR, girl. I was ready for SFR. Almost didn't think I was gonna make it, and I made it. So this catalog, as of July 1st through the 31st, it's going to be on sale. Almost the whole catalog. So there are some restrictions, but 10% off, and discontinuing items are going to be 20% off. Not done, not heard of. So why we need club is because all this stuff is going away, and you can put your favorite stuff in your Scentsy Club and you get it on your terms, your conditions. It is free to sign up. You can either choose a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly subscription. It's on your terms. You put what you want in there. You want bars because they're not guaranteed to come back? Put them in your club. You need cotton cleanups? Put them in your club. You need bulbs? Put them in your club. Girl, you hit 30 bucks, you get 10% off. That's just a whiff box. If you want to put your whiff box in your club, right then and there, you're getting a discount. At $60 threshold, you get one half price items. Put your big ticket items in there. Your washer whiffs, your laundry liquid. Girl, your bricks. This is the way to get bricks right now because we ain't getting bricks till the holidays. Scentsy Club makes sense. Want a club? You can sign up right here on my website. That's where you go. So before we get into what's in my club, because things are changing, so new things have to go in my club, let's talk about what's discontinuing. So we're going to talk about what's discontinuing in this catalog that is not coming back in this new beautiful catalog, right? Girl, talk about the nails. We got our nails done for SFR. Is what it is. They're finally getting longer. See what we could do. First off, we're going with warmers. What's discontinuing with the warmers? The Carolina Coast Warmer, Copper Cast Warmer, Along the Beach Warmer, Flight of the Monarch, that is our, what is that called? Girl, where they make the donation, charity warmer. Girl, it's a charity warmer because we're getting a new charity warmer. Happy Home, Opulent, oh, not Happy Home, girl, freaking Happy Home. Happy Henna is going away. Opulence, Tide Pool, the Jungle Canopy, which that's been around for a while. Time to Reflect, Rose Gold Warmer. Those are full-size warmers that are not returning. Minis are the Glitter Silver Warmer, Glitter Teal Warmer, Midnight Tide Warmer, Ooh La La, Perfect Pearl, and Wispy Willow. Our Buddy Shoo Shoo is going away. Lulu, the doll's going away. And both of our Buddy clips that are available in the catalog, Sierra and Terra. So that's what's going away. Body care products that are going away is Aloe Water and Cucumber and Pineapple Coconut Vanilla. Those are going away. Cleaning products, Aloe Water and Cucumber and Fiesta Lime. I didn't even know that. Pet products, Oatmeal and Aloe, Orange Zest, and Nectar. Those are going away because we're getting new stuff. I love getting new stuff, but there's just some like Aloe Water and Cucumber and cleaning. Like, I love it. Let's go over bars. So you have the whole month of July to decide what you want in your club, what you can't live without. Me, it's Make a Splash. Make a Splash, Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze, a couple of lemon scents. There's going to be a lot of stuff. I got to make some cuts because they're not guaranteed to come back, girl. So, wax bars that are discontinuing. They're discontinuing in room spray, scent circles, travel tins, car bar clips, scent packs, pods, and fragrance flowers. These are going away. Aloha Citrus. I have that warming today in my house. Apple Teeny Splash. Apricot Vanilla, Atlantic Air, Be Fabulous, Berry Bright, which we just got Berry Bright back, Bonfire Beach, Camu Camu, Cinnamon Vanilla, Cloudberry Dreams. It's been in the catalog for a few catalogs now. Coastal Sunset, Cocoa Lime, Cocoa for Coconuts, Coral Waters, Daydream Oasis, French Lavender, Go-Go Mango. If Go-Go Mango doesn't come back, I'll be fine. Havana Cabana, Here Comes the Sunflowers, Hibiscus Pineapple. I love Hibiscus Pineapple. Iridescent Pearl. If that never came back, I wouldn't be sad either. It just does nothing for me. Jammy Time. Oh my god, Jammy Time has been in the catalog freaking forever. You can get it in a brick in your Scentsy Club, okay? Just Breathe. I love Just Breathe. Oh my god. Lavender Cotton, Lemon Sorbet, Lilacs and Violets, Lush Gardenia, Mad for Melon, Magnolia Linen, Mahalo Coconut. I love all the coconuts. Make a Splash, Mocha Doodle, My Hero, which we just felt like we just got it in the catalog because it was a Father's Day collection like a couple, I don't know, seasons ago. Oh, Snapdragon, Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze, Paradise Petals, which is new and I kind of like it, Paradise Punch, Peach Nectar, Pina Colada Cha-Cha, Pineapple Mango. I love Pineapple Mango. Pineapple Pucker, that's one of my favorites. Pink Cotton, Pink Rhubarb Sugar, Pink Sugarberry Mint, Plumeria Peach, Prickly Pear and Agave, Sand Sweat, Satin Sheets. If that didn't come back, I'd be fine. That smells like flea collar. Sea Salt and Avocado. That has been a recurring one, like non-stop, and I think that's gonna have to go in my club. Shoreline Drive, Skinny Dipping, Squeeze the Day, Sugared Strawberry, Summer Holiday. Let's see, Summer Moonlight, Sun-Kissed Citrus. Sun-Kissed Citrus, again, has been a staple for such a long time. It's going away. They're not going to bring it back in the new catalog. It's not guaranteed to come back. Sun-Soaked Petals, Tangerine Creamsicle, Vanilla Waves, which was very popular, and Watermelon Tangerine. So those are the wax bars that you have from July 1st to July 31st to put in your Scentsy Club. I highly recommend a lot of these because, girl, they are making changes. SFR blew me out of the water. What's coming? My club's already out of control. I don't know what I'm going to be doing in my life. But there's going to be a lot of favorites for me. Make a Splash, Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze, Daydream Oasis, Pineapple Mango, girl, Sea Salt and Avocado, because I don't know if that's coming back. I don't know if they're keeping the bricks, the original bricks that are in there. I have no idea. And Sea Salt and Avocado does come in a brick, you know? There's just Hibiscus Pineapple I love, Aloha Citrus, I love Atlantic Air. There's just so many. Cocoa for Coconuts. There's just so many that I love, and my clubs are already bursting at the seam. But let's get into club. So I had to open up my club because, girl, I was mailing things to customers and I needed the Mylar bags. But I do know that this is my club. There's no order to it because I just dumped them in here. And the club did come on time. My club, so usually, you guys know, I'm moaning around about how my Scentsy Club comes late. My Scentsy Club's been here. I said it before I got sick, and because I had no voice, I couldn't film. So a lot of changes already happened to my club because we got this, and I already knew it was coming back, so things left. So my club is going through some major changes. But number one, Scarlet Sunflower. I love this more than Here Comes the Sunflowers. This is an all year. Girl, my bar's broken. I can warm this all year. I've already warmed this. Oh my god, I've already warmed it in the summer with Johnny Appleseed. Absolutely a favorite. This is coming back. So it's already out of my club. It's coming back. It's coming back in this catalog. It's gonna be amazing. Snuggle Up. I love Snuggle Up. Me and Snuggle Up, we store in those for right now. Catching Z's Shut Eye. Oh, this club's gone through a lot. This club's gone through, things have just been getting out of my club, in and out. Ocean, still in there. Okay, all hanging on. We have Vitamin R for Relax. I really am enjoying this one. I had to rewarm all these to make sure that I wanted them in my club because I did take some stuff out. Vitamin M for Meditation. Love those. My wish. You guys don't even want to know how many bars I have of this. My wish. I haven't been warming them because I love this one more in the fall winter, so I am going to be going through quite a bit of those once it gets a little bit cooler. Pink Haze. You guys know I cannot live without Pink Haze. That is my jam. Coconut Cotton. Y'all know how I feel about Coconut Cotton. I went through a lot of bars last month in my empties. I think I went through 4 or 5 bars. Love it. So, The Lion King. I put this in my club because I didn't know how it smelled. And, oh my God, me and somebody was talking in the comments on one video about how I love the greens. And they said, have you smelled The Lion King? And I said, no. And this is supposed to be like really, really green. So, oh my God, it's green with like salt. Oh my God, is that like, it's salty. Like, oh my God, this kind of reminds me that same salt that was in Inhale Exhale, is that what it was called? Oh my God, like citrusy, salty green. Oh, it's like a little bit like that one. I think I might like it. I love the green scents. You guys already know me and green, we're friends, and I like it. Moana. I know probably everybody has seen a lot of spoilers already. She's coming back. She's coming back, and I just can't wait. I know a lot of people, I talk about this. So since Moana came out over a year ago, I put this bar in my club. I go through these. I love these. Moana's never leaving my club. Even though I know she's coming back, she's still in my club. See, I could take out Scarlet Sunflower, but I am not taking out Moana. I am... No, you guys. What did we get a brick of? Sea salt and avocado. You guys, I ran out of I already went through a whole brick. This is my second brick. This is amazing. I don't know if... I'm going to put the bar in my club just in case they take the bricks out. We don't know if they're changing the bricks. So a bar has to go in my club. I can't live without sea salt and avocado. I warm it with so many things. I mix this with that ruby nectarine that we had. I mix this with, oh my God, what was the other scent of the month? The January scent of the month. Some kind of like sun-ripened berry I mix this with. I like to mix this with a lot of fruity scents, and it smells amazing. This smells amazing already too. So me and green, girl, I love me some green. Oh, my club did go down, because this is it, girl. This is it. We have Vitamin U for Unwind. Love Vitamin U. Sunburst Bamboo. This is the one I kept in my club. I love this. Again, this is green. This is bamboo. This is, oh, beautiful. And I only use them at night to meditate. Love it. And, girl, I got a Canada bar. Girl, I'm from Canada. Oh my God, let me tell you guys. At Scentsy Family Reunion, I sat at this table and these girls said, oh, can we join you? Because everybody loves everybody there, right? And they were wearing these big red and white striped bows. And I just thought, oh my God, they're just wearing bows. No, they had a maple leaf in the middle because they were from Canada. And I looked, I said, oh my God, are you guys from Canada? And they said, yeah, we're from Canada. We're consultants from Canada. And I'm like, oh my God, we're from Canada. And I think they said like, not Ontario, Alberta, I think. Oh my God, girl. But they were amazing. I love me the Canadians. I love me some Scentsy consultants. Oh, sorry. There's the boy. I fixed it. Okay. So the Canadians were amazing. We all were taking a break for some lunch, and they were telling us about just how things are different in Canada and selling Scentsy in Canada, and they were just amazing with their maple leaves and their big bows. And then I saw them walk on stage, and I was like, "My Canadians!" Oh my God, I was saying, girl, you need to go to Scentsy Family Reunion. But I got me an Canada bar for what though? Oh, Kahiko Hula. Look at that. Oh, Canada. Me and the Canadians and Kahiko Hula. It's a good day. So I don't know how I got an Canada bar. If y'all know about the Canada bars, comment down below. Let me know. Because girl, I don't know nothing about them, but this smells really good. Is there like pour date? See, y'all swear y'all could see pour dates. Girl, I see nada. Nothing. No. So, anyway, you guys, that's it. That's my club. How many bars we got here? Let's see. 10, 13, 14. 14 bars and a brick. Put it in your club, you guys. This one is a good one. Sea salt and avocado, and it's not coming back, and it always comes back. So, as always, you guys, wait a minute. As always, you guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the list. Let me know what your favorites are. What are you putting in your club? And if you don't have a club, you need to start a club. We need to talk about club. If you want to talk about club, always down below. It's always on my website. Someone's calling me. It's always down below on my website. And as always, you guys, like, subscribe, and also share. If you feel like this can help out somebody, club, and they want to talk about it, share the video. And after all that, if you still want to hang around, there is a video here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Start a club, Scentsy Fam. See you later.